Welcome back, everyone. So this used to be called LTD Reviewer, but I've just changed the name to Software Mania. I think this represents more of what I'd like to do with this channel, which is not just focusing on lifetime deal software. I am going to be doing an LTD, and I'm still going to be reviewing software that has LTD or lifetime deals, one-time payment software, right? We all love those. But I also want to be able to review anything that is software related, including softwares that are free to use, softwares that you have to pay monthly for, software as a service type services, and so forth. So I didn't want to limit myself or you on the types of software that I'm reviewing. So please welcome me in introducing the new channel name, which is Software Mania. And this just represents the channel, the excitement, the software enthusiasts and fans of all types of softwares. So we're going to be cooking up a lot of honest, unbiased, deep dive software reviews for you on this channel. You guys might know me from LearnWire, this channel over here, which is also a software review channel. More specifically for AppSumo reviews, you won't have any software reviews from AppSumo on this channel because there is like an exclusivity type thing. And so if you want AppSumo reviews, go to my other software review channel called LearnWire. And then if you want to learn how to make money online and so forth, I have another channel over here, my personal brand channel and so forth. So thank you guys so much. Let's get started. So today we are going to be looking at SemanticPen, and this one happens to be on Sasszilla. So the Sasszilla marketplace, this is SemanticPen. This is a software that will allow you to create eye-catching AI articles with up-to-date SEO and factual data in just minutes. It does have 3 customer reviews, and it looks like it's almost got a 4 stars right there. And you can get a plan starting at $49. Now I could take you through all of this. I'm not going to do that. It does integrate with WordPress and Webflow. So if you want to automatically publish your content to those sites, then they have the integrations for that. I do like that it's not just WordPress, that it's actually another popular site that website platform that has grown in interest and is trending, and more people are using a platform like Webflow for their businesses. It's an alternative to ZimWriter, TriJournalist AI, Koala AI, Text Builder. I know all these writers right over here. Features AI and factual data. We'll see if that plays out and so forth. So you can go and look. We'll come through here and look at the pricing. I'm just going to go right over here. And so for $49, you get license tier 1, unlimited words, bring your own key. So you will have to bring your own key to exercise the unlimited words, but you will be able to write 30 articles per month. They have the real-time factual data, live Amazon data for affiliate articles. And then license tier 2, $119. You get your bring your own key feature as well, but unlimited articles per month. And you just get everything, right? You get the automatic internal linking. I'll show you a little bit about that. Automatic external linking, custom API integration, and autopilot. So those are stuff that are coming soon. You know, I got to be completely honest. This is a software that most likely, I don't know when they started, but TriJournalist, I've done full reviews on my other channel on that. They do a lot of this other stuff, like even calling the autopilot, custom API integrations, external, internal. I mean, the fact that they listed that they, a competitor of theirs or alternative of theirs is Journalist AI. So it's a developer that, has used those softwares and thinks that they, are going to be able to create an even better workflow and software for you. So we're going to go dive in real quick. You can go and look at, they do have a roadmap, a change log, the LinkedIn profile, product video demo, YouTube channel, and public community. I want to go and check and see. They have 19 subscribers, 3 videos from 13 days ago. So this is definitely a startup, a brand new software. But they do have some tutorials over here on their YouTube channel. Okay, so we can go. I'm logged in. I am on a free account. This software is, I don't have the pro access, and I didn't purchase. A lot of times I will purchase if I'm filling up for it. I will purchase a license, and I'll do more videos and so forth. Leave a comment below if this ends up being a software that you want to know more about and you want me to really dive even deeper into and test and so forth. Then I'll consider purchasing one of these licenses so I can make more content for you. But for now, we do have 5 credits. I do need to choose what we're going to use that for. This is the navigation. It does look like a nice nice navigation and UI. It looks good on this plan. On the dashboard over here, you have these which kind of look like buttons, but you can't click them. I'm left clicking right now. You can't really click on any of those right now. So we'll just point that out, the navigation over here. It does tell you what your subscription plan is. I'm on the free plan right now. Your remaining credits, so if you do end up buying the lifetime deal, that's what this LTD stands for, then that's depending on what your license tier is, that's going to reflect over here how many credits you get. So in general, I don't know how many credits you actually get. Let's see right over here. It doesn't tell you. It is a credit system, but then they don't specify the credits right here. So I don't like that. They need to tell you exactly how many credits you get, the 30 articles per month, but they're not all 5 credits, right? So you do have your quick mode, your pro mode, your YouTube to article, and your Amazon writer. Now, each one of these particularly will be 5 credits, 5 credits, 5 credits, and then your quick modes are less credits. So, there's going to be a calculation, and I'm not a big fan of having to calculate how many credits you have and so forth. Now you have your understanding your credits, subscription credits right here. You have one-time credits. They have credit packs you can buy. And then you have monthly LTD credits that you'll get them renewed every month. I don't think that they carry over. They do expire at the end of your LTD monthly billing cycle, and then they renew. So if you have 30 credits, whether you use them or not, they go away and then they reset the next month. Okay. That's pretty common. So you have your quick mode over here. They are recognizing, so it is 3 credits to write these articles, and they are recognizing that you should probably use these as your tier 2, tier 3 properties for SEO and so forth, that you really shouldn't use this one as a content creator to post on your money site. So keep that in mind. If you want to use one for your money site, you're going to want to use the pro mode right over here. It says this mode focuses more on context and quality rather than the speed of the article generation, giving you more control on each aspect of the article generation, including internal and external links, background context, custom outline, custom links, call to action, custom section prompts, etc. For generating a good article, it is important to have a good keyword, article topic, and background context, a basic summary of things, keywords you want to write about. Okay, so it looks like they have a Facebook group right there as well. We'll come back to Pro because that's probably the one that I'm going to use. Unfortunately, I only have 5 credits, so I want to probably use the Pro mode right over here, but they do have a YouTube to article creator. And to be honest with you, I haven't been very impressed with YouTube to article creators in almost any tool that I've used. And to be quite frank with you, I actually just use Claude. I built my own tools in Claude, my own knowledge base and my own set of instructions, and then it just superbly does it for me. And these fancy tools that, that you're able to use a YouTube article, they don't end up doing a great job with brand voice. Now, I'm not going to test this one in front of you right now, so I can't really say specifically that this one is good or bad, but I'm not a huge fan of the YouTube article, but they do have that feature. I do like that they have that feature. That's cool. The Amazon writer would be what I would want to test out as well for you. It looks like it's 5 credits as well. This mode generates Amazon product reviews from a product URL. It provides an overview, exact product reviews for context and list of pros and cons. You can customize outlines and add your affiliate tag, which links to Amazon. Koala does this. Some other article writers do this as well. But the issue with this is we all know that your website, if you're just creating Amazon reviews based on not actually having the product in your hand and doing, a real actual honest review of your product and focusing on your branding and building a full knowledge panel on Google, your site's going to get flagged eventually anyway. So I think that this is a waste of time in my personal opinion. So it kind of leads me to the one that I probably would use the most would be, the pro mode anyways. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. We're going to go and write. Now we can choose the model. Obviously, we're going to want to use the 4.0 mini because that's the best model. And, why wouldn't you use that? You're using your credits anyways. So we're going to come through here. Before I do that, let's go into settings, because settings, this is where you can paste your OpenAPI key and connect it. You can also go and check your account. You can go and connect Webflow right here. And then this is where you can do a connection of WordPress right over here. I don't know why these are basically separated. And this one's called connection. This one's called Webflow. They probably should just say WordPress connection, Webflow connection, something like that. But this is where you'll put in your site, your username. You're going to use your application password and so forth. We're not going to do that in this video, but I am going to go over here and maybe this is where you can put in your site map, your site title, and your name, and then your example, and then you could save the personalization. Let's go ahead and do that with one of my websites. So I'm going to go here to LearnWire on one of my websites, and then also here's the site map right here. So I'll go ahead and grab that site map, and then we'll come back over here and we'll throw the site map in right there. I'm going to save the personalization right here, and we do have, it says that that's not the correct site map. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here and just go to posts. This is definitely the correct site map right here. You can see it right in front of us. We'll go try that one more time. We'll put that one in right there. We'll put LearnWire, and we'll try to save this as well. Save successfully. Okay, so I guess it is right here. We can trash it. So we'll go ahead and see if that works or not, right? So that's your settings. We'll go back to Pro mode real quick. And then what we're going to do, you can have a preset. You can create your preset. And this is going very much along with Journalist AI, but that's cool. So I do like that. Basically, once you fill all these settings out right over here, I mean, this is almost like a copy of Journalist. Just to be completely honest with you, if you've tried Journalist out, this is very much a layout just like it. So if you like Journalist, you want a lifetime deal software, and this one performs for you, this might be a good deal. In a sense, I'm kind of not a big fan of a complete straight up copycats and so forth. So that's about all I'll say about that. But this is very, very much looking like what another software that I have recently reviewed on my LearnWire channel looks like. So we're going to go through here, and you do have the preset options right over here. Now we can go with a keyword right over here, and let's just go find something. Just go use a keyword tool I often use sometimes just for very quick type things. How to get traffic to website. Let's see what else comes up. Oh, here's one. How to get traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so let's just open this one up. Maybe this one. And how to get traffic from Pinterest, how to get traffic to website from Pinterest. It's a long tail keyword. It's going to get searches. It's showing up as a Google result. So we'll go ahead and go with that and see how well it can do with this keyword right here. So we'll go back into SemanticPen. We'll put the target keyword in there because we know it's getting searched for. It doesn't have any volume, but we know it's getting searched for. It wouldn't show up in Insta Keywords, which is pulling keywords directly from Google Keyword Planner. So target article topic, generate AI titles. No, I want to leave it. I want to leave this as the title. And then you can have an extra title prompt if you want. I'm going to leave that AI SEO optimization. We can hover over this. We analyzed multiple SERP pages to extract key entities and phrases. We then use our NLP model to give you the best SEO optimization for your article. Okay, cool. Of course, we want to turn that on. So AI images and YouTube videos, we're going to go with auto images. So that one's video. So videos, I just want to go with one video. Images, I want to go with two. We'll go with illustrations, fine. There's your auto setting, max 2 images, 1 right there. So perfect. So auto, there we go. So basically that looks like if you select auto, then it's going to allow it to create images and videos. If you select just videos, then you'll get just videos and no images. And if you select images, then you won't get any images. So we'll go with auto and see what we can get here. So the content settings right over here. So this is playing out, I mean, looking exactly like Try Journalist. Go over to my LearnWire channel and check out my Try Journalist reviews and videos that I've done in the last month on those. And this software is almost an exact replica of that software. So you be the judge of if you think that that's a good thing or bad thing, whatever. In a positive note, this would give your opportunity to get a lifetime deal on a software like Try Journalist, which is a monthly subscription plan, a very premium AI writing tool. But at the same time too, for me, it's kind of like, if someone's willing to go and completely rip off another tool exactly like what it looks like, is that somebody you want to be buying a tool from, right? So you got to kind of, when you're going down this lifetime deal rabbit hole of softwares, you do want to ask yourself those questions and be smart about your purchases and so forth on who you're purchasing from and doing business with, right? So we have our tone of voice, you have your humanize, your SEO. I'd love to test both, but let's just go with our professional tone here. Article length is medium. We'll go with, medium's fine. Point of view, first person. Okay, that's great. And we get to choose 8th and 9th grade. Let's stick it right there. That's fine, because I would love to see it end up in the 8th and 9th, even 10th grade would be great. We'll test that out in a minute. If you guys know me, I do with AI writers, I do like to test the readability, and sometimes I'll do even further testing to see the quality of the AI writing. Extra section prompt, we can do that. It's optional. I'm not going to do that. And then we have custom headlines. I'm not going to do that. We're going to just right here, keep tone professional, friendly, and first person. Shouldn't have to specify this because we already selected those options, but no fluff, just pure facts, info, and helpful content, something like that. Okay, so custom outlines, nope, not doing that. And then we have our entity keywords. You can put in your keywords right there. Generate AI entities. Maybe we'll just click that button because it's there. Maybe it'll go out and find some keywords, NLP keywords for us, Pinterest marketing, website marketing. So it found the keywords for us. That's cool. Article tag. This is the article tag that you want to save along with the article. It can be anything such as the name of the client, the name of the project, the name of the article. So we'll just say that we'll just call it Pinterest for now. Article structure, we're going to keep coming through here. Table of contents, yes. Disable introduction, you can disable that. We're going to keep it. You have your key takeaways. Let's turn that on. FAQs, I don't like that FAQ, so I'm glad that's turned off. Disable conclusion. You can also disable the conclusion. Outline builder, when activated, a preliminary outline is generated before composing the article. You have the flexibility to rearrange, remove, and add new sections. So I'll leave this on so we can at least see what the outline looks like. And then SERP selection, when activated, a SERP results will be shown before generating the article. You can pick out a site for scraping. So I'll leave that on as well so you guys can see what that looks like as well. So we just keep moving down here. So you definitely have a ton of customization for creating this article builder or this article writer for you based on your needs, which, it is a huge advantage. This is very robust. Custom external links. You can actually just paste all your links in right there as well if you wanted to. Maximum external links, let's just say 4. And then internal links, it should be able to automate internal links. If this is enabled, we will add an internal links if you select any site below. This will help you build trust with your audience. So we'll select that. I want to add our site LearnWire. So there's a site map right there. Maximum internal links. Let's go with 4. Call to action. This is where you can, add in a call to action. We're going to leave that one alone. And then here's a knowledge base right here. You can paste in a knowledge base, which is great. I'd love to be able to create a knowledge base, be a better fit for our brand and so forth. But I do like that we can kind of paste in our knowledge base right over here as well. This is optional. So before we do that, this is where you can come up here and update preset. Let's see. This is where you would save it. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose all this. So then the next step right here would be to fetch SERP. So please wait while we fetch the SERP results, and here we go. So you can select the sites you want to use. So how to get traffic from Pinterest. Now it would be nice for us to kind of see like how many words each one of these has. Please select at least 3 sites because we don't know like how long these are. So meet Edgar, we'll go with that. I don't know if this is a blog post right there. So that's good. Blogging, that's just comments. So I'm going to leave that alone. Supermetrics, maybe Pinterest traffic right here. Quora, we'll block that one out as well. And then if it says blog, I'm okay with that. So we'll block Quora right there. So that's kind of how you do it right there. I like that. And we'll just go with generate outline. It's going to go generate our outline for us real quick. All right, so that was fast. We've got our introduction, key takeaways, creating a Pinterest strategy for website traffic. Now we can add a subheading right here easily if we want, or just click off. We can also rearrange by just dragging and dropping this. That is super easy and intuitive to use. We can copy the section, we can edit the section and provide additional information if we want right over here. That pops out, which is cool. So we've got our Pinterest strategy, then we've got our optimizing pins for maximum engagement, leveraging Pinterest boards, analyzing performance, and then we have a summing it up section. Now you can add an entire section right over here. You have background information, keywords. So I really like the options that we have right over here. That's really, really great because you can really go out and do some more research. You can even use AI tools to go out and do some more research and then fill these in and do another custom section right in here. So that's really, really cool. So I like this. This is great. And then we can go and generate our article real quick and we'll be right back. So actually right here, you can see it writing for us live. I kind of like this. You know, instead of just sitting and looking at the pinwheels and so forth, I like being able to sit here and see like how this tool works, how it's thinking. One thing that I notice is that this is going to pull from your title of the title that you came up with, and it's going to be verbatim. So it's going to be exactly the way that you wrote it. So I do need to make sure when I go and take this over to my site that I need to capitalize this. Now you can see the words going up right here, 800, 900. I love that you can see a count of the article going up as it's typing. So I'm impressed with the way that this is writing our content for us using ChatGPT 4o. Right here, the content does look really, really good. As far as structure is concerned, we'll test that out. But you have your key takeaways, create. So I always like to read the introduction. So you have your Pinterest is a powerful tool for driving traffic to our websites by creating engaging pins and boards. We can attract more visitors using effective strategies like keyword research and consistent pinning can increase our visibility. Let's explore how to optimize our Pinterest marketing efforts to increase website traffic. So you have your key takeaways. You have your creating a Pinterest strategy for website traffic right here to drive website traffic. So that's a pretty cool picture that it created. I think this is an AI picture. It's all about Pinterest. I think it's a great picture. I don't know about the size of it. We can't resize it. We can download this. We can publish this. We can look at the info. It's still creating content at 2,500 words right there. We can copy the HTML and we can create a new article. So we'll keep going down. Consider these steps, create a board, use keywords, pin. So that looks good. Understanding Pinterest. Pinterest acts like a visual search engine where users seek inspirational ideas. Think of it as a treasure map leading to your website filled with creative pins. To harness this power, we must create Pinterest boards. So, I mean, the content looks pretty good to me. To optimize our strategy, we can use tools like keyword. Look at this. This is really, really good, guys. To optimize our strategy, we can use tools like Keyword Hero. And you can see down here in the lower left-hand corner when I hover over this, it's learnwirepro.com and it's Keyword Hero. And this is relevant for keyword research. It's a keyword research tool. This helps identify trending topics and keywords. So it did a brilliant job with the internal linking. And I can be honest with this. This is probably the easiest internal linking addition that I've ever used in a tool. So that's going to probably be my favorite thing so far about this tool. There's always these internal and external settings, and then they just end up not working the way that they're supposed to. This one seems like it works really, really well. We have our setting up our business account. Then we have another keyword research right there, SEMrush review. Then we have another content strategy right here, Squirrely SEO review. So I did a pretty good job with the internal links, sticking with keyword research and so forth focus. Here's another AI image. We might want to specify, I don't know if we can, but like to not use text. This is an unusable image. Obviously, the text is just awful on this image. We have automation tools right over here, 10 best software tools for website optimization. So it did add 5 or 6 internal links for us. I'm not seeing external. I'm not seeing external links that it added for us. It added way too many internal links. This is too many, but here's our first external link, traffic boost from Tailwind app. And we'll come over here, super metrics. So it kind of seems like it added all the internal links and a little bit too many to the beginning of the article. And then it's adding all the external links after that. So it's pretty cool that this is on autopilot, but I would want a little bit better, improving on this. We have the streaming completed, 2,600 words, and it's saved. So summing up is very, very light as well. I like that as well. And the only thing that you could really do is, here's the table of contents, is to publish this on a site that does get rankings. I do have one, and then to see if it ranks. And then also, playing around more with some of the customizations of the tone, giving it a knowledge base and so forth. You're going to get even better content. But overall, from what I'm seeing, I do like this. What's the info? It comes over here. It gives us all the pertinent information right over here. And then I'm trying to see if does it create a meta description. I don't see a meta description. It would be nice if it put that meta description up here somewhere. We do have an edit button, so you can edit this. We can't click on the image. It doesn't really let us do anything like that, but we can add more images, YouTube videos, some basic, text editing right inside of here if we wanted to. I'm going to go back, and then we can go back in right over here. We can download the HTML right there. What I normally do is just go and there's your publish button to Webflow. There's your publish to WordPress. But I wanted to just copy, and I don't see where the copy is. So we'll just push the download button, and we can download the markdown formatting right here. Yeah, see, so just be careful. That copy button that was there a minute ago is gone, but I believe that if you copy from here, this is going to end up being marked down if we just copy this whole thing right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that real quick, and we can log into a site just to show you what it's going to look like. I know that that's kind of important to end the review. These AI writers, generally the reviews take a long time because I don't just do a 10-minute video and tell you to buy the software. I actually do real reviews for you. And so that is what separates my YouTube reviews and software reviews from other people. I'll actually show you everything. So you can see when we paste it in here, all the links stay, the images, the video. I didn't see that video. The video is definitely there. And the image right there, the images. So it's a very long article and so forth. So it just pastes very nicely into WordPress. And then the final thing, we'll go into Hemingway real quick and just see where this ended up. We'll paste in here. And it did get a grade level of 9, which is very impressive right here. And I guess just for fun, we can see, we'll go into this GPT-0. I mean, I have a bunch of these. I have the other one, Originality, I believe. 0GPT, but let's go see if we can paste this in here and see what this says about the article, and we will detect, and it's a little bit too much, so that's no problem. We'll just take off a little bit right here, like so, and detect. And so it's a 25%, so your text is most likely AI GPT generated. So some of it passes, a lot of it doesn't, but I just run that test, and you guys can do with it what you want, the knowledge. But overall, this software actually was pretty impressive. They do have Try Journalist as the alternative, and I can tell you that this is a very, very similar. Try Journalist has probably 10 to 20 times more ability than this, because they are capturing a lot of the base things about Try Journalist in their software, SemanticPen, and then it's also a lifetime deal, right? But, Journalist AI is a monthly subscription, and it has a ton of features. You can go get really, really into depth and pretty much do everything that you would want to run your business with Journalist. But with that said, and me personally, if you just asked me personally, taking my affiliate marketing hat off and everything, I don't like that SemanticPen is basically almost ripping off Journalist AI. I mean, the software is built almost exactly like it. Okay. So that's something that kind of bothers me a little bit, but at the same time, my unbiased part would be that I was impressed with this software. It does a ton. It does for SEO, the internal and external links worked. You have a knowledge base, you have presets that you can put in here. And we're just getting started, right? We didn't even use quick mode. We didn't use YouTube to article, and we didn't use the Amazon writer. So overall, without, I just want to make sure I'm honest with you guys that it almost seems like a knockoff of another software. But if I took that knowledge away, right, then this ends up being a really good software that I would probably have to give it probably about a 4.3, 4.5, somewhere in that range is where I would actually rate this SemanticPen. So there will be a link below. Go snatch your copy if this is something that you need in your business, because I'm pretty impressed that this is a lifetime deal software. I've reviewed probably 100 AI writing softwares in the last 3 years. I know what to look for. I know how to test them out. This one is definitely on the good side. This one's a keeper, and it looked really, really good. We just don't know the longevity of these tools, right? Like how long, what are their intentions? You can go and do some more back research and so forth. But if you're ready to make that purchase and this review helped you, then there will be a link below, and it will help me to continue creating these reviews on this channel. I'm expanding my software review set, and I'd love to have you come watch more videos on this particular channel. Thank you so much. Link will be below to go pick it up while it's available on SaaS Mantra, and I will see you next time.